How to go to a specific date. In Tradingview 2025 updated tutorial. Method 1. Use the Go to Date tool. Open a chart on Tradingview. Then right-click anywhere on the chart. In the menu that appears, click Go to. A date time pop-up will appear. Enter the exact date and time you want. Example is the 1st of August 2023 or the 1st of August 2023, 14:30. Then hit enter. The chart will automatically scroll to that date. Method 2. Use the calendar shortcut. Make sure your chart is active. Click anywhere on it. On your keyboard, press Alt+G, Windows, Option+G, Mac. This opens the same Go to Date window. Enter your desired date and press enter. And lastly, method 3. Scroll manually with the date bar. At the bottom of the chart, you can drag the timeline or use your mouse trackpad to scroll back in time. You can zoom out with the scroll wheel or pinch to go faster. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something in this tutorial, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.